Welcome to New Jersey Transit. To initiate voice, press the audio button. The audio button is the bottom button located to the right of the screen. The TVM is an in-service mode. When operating TVM using the audio function, it is important not to touch on or near the screen to avoid an incorrect selection. For TVM orientation, press the number 7 button located above the audio button. This TVM is equipped with both a touch screen and 7 raise buttons on both the left and right of the screen. When operating the TVM using the audio function, it is important not to touch on or near the screen to avoid an incorrect selection. The buttons are arranged 1 through 7 from top to bottom, and are referenced as left 1, left 2, etc. Right 1, right 2, etc. To increase volume, press the audio button. During the purchase of a ticket, the right 7 button is for cancel, the left 7 button is for go back, and the audio button is for repeating the current screen. The coin slot is located 6 inches above the right 1 button. The credit card slot and keypad are located 6 inches to the right of the coin slot. The bill accept holder slot is located 7 inches below the credit card slot and keypad. The ticket and change tray is located 10 inches below the screen. There is also a headphone jack located below and to the left of the left 7 button. To repeat the presentation, press the right 7 button. To continue with your transaction, press the left 7 button. Your origin is 22nd Street. Please select among the most popular tickets from this origin. Press right 1 to select one-way senior disabled / non-refundable ticket. Press right 2 to select one-way senior disabled with transfer ticket. Press right 3 to select 10-trip ticket. Press right 5 to select Member Hudsonburg and Light Trail tickets. Press left 1 to select one-way adult / non-refundable ticket. Press left 2 to select one-way adult with transfer ticket. Press left 3 to select round-trip adult / non-refundable ticket. You have selected one-way adult / non-refundable. Bus route no. 280. Zone 1. Total amount. You have selected one-way adult / non-refundable. Bus route no. 280. Zone 1. Total amount $2.25. The amount remaining is $2.25. The coin slot is located 6 inches above